Ganito katindi at kasolid ang gagamiting pambanggaan ng Barangay Ginebra ngayong PBA Commissioner's Cup. Pero bago nga natin talakayin etong mga nakabilang sa final lineup ng Barangay Ginebra, mas malakas at mas pinabilis ngayong full rosters ng Barangay Ginebra na inaasahang makikipagsabayan talaga ng lakas ngayong PBA Commissioner's Cup. Kabilang nga sa rosters ng team na ito ay itong sila Maverick Ahamnisi, isang 6'2" listed height. Jeremiah Gray, 6'5" listed height. Jamie Malonzo, 6'6" listed height. RJ Abarientos, 5'11" listed height. LA Tenorio, 5'9" listed height. Son, 6'1" listed height. John Pinto, 5'11" listed height. Isaac Go, 6'7" listed height. Stephen Holt, 6'4" listed height. Ralph Ku, 6'4" listed height. Bon Pesumal, 6'2" listed height. 6'4" listed height. Tagilar, 6'9" listed height. Aljon Mariano, 6'3" listed height. Justin Brownlee, 6'6" listed height. Adamos, 6'7" listed height. At ang 6'7" listed height power forward na si Troy Rosario. So yan, sa ngayon, ito nga lang po muna ang ating sports pasada, and thank you for watching guys, and God bless everyone.